Say it again.
Fakatene.
Fakatene.
Dip, 2, 3, 4. Now, our elbows are straight. Your hands are like your head's going to fit in between it. Not here, your head. When you dip, dip it down and up. Like a spoon. Here we go. Ready? From here. 1, 2, here we go. Dip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap, down, down, knee, around brush. 1, 2, tap 4, knee, 4 brush. 1, 2, 3, do it again, and dip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap, down, down, knee, around, and brush, brush, knee, 4 brush. 1, 2, do it again. Dip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, knee, around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got that much yet? We're going to do all brushes. This whole dance is going to be brush. So all of Fakatene is brush. No?
Anna, it's here.
Tonight, brush. Okay, ready? Next time. Wait, you guys do now watch. 5, 6, 7, here we go. Wait. Ready, and here you go. Dip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap, down, down, knee, around, and brush, knee, around, and 1, and 2, and do it again, and dip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap, down, down, knee, around, and 1, and 2, and knee, around, 4. 1, and 2, and 3. Keep going, and 1, 2, pardon. My God. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 in front of your belly button. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back and back and one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back and back and your hips are going. I'm going to go again. Ready? 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back and forth. Stop right there. Your hands going to go low and high, low and high, low and high, and low and high. The thing of it is, your hand's never going to cross the center of your boobs. So if your right hand is high, your left hand's not going to go to your shoulder. It's going to stay at the center of your boobs. So it's going to go low and low and low and low and. First turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your feet go like a parabolo. Step together, step forward. Don't make big steps, stay in your own spot where you're going to go. Step together, that's 1. Step together, that's 2. Step together, stay there. Step together, step, hold. Okay, again. From the tap. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. Step together. Now dip it and go higher. Now dip it and go higher. Stay there. Dip, stay there. Good. Then you come to your eye. You close your fist. You're going to open your fist and push it out. You can keep your fingers together. But each time it's going to come back in. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to watch this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it goes back to you. Take that whole second half of Fakatene. Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. Dip, high, keep your hands in line. Dip, and high, dip. Here we go, high. 1, look at hand. 2, 3, 4. 1, and 2, dip.
One, two, three, four. Up. Good.